On October 12, 2024 in Bellevue, Washington, officers respond to two suspects fleeing in a stolen vehicle. What they don't know is that the suspects are armed with an improvised explosive device. At the time this officer turns his dashcam on, officers were already able to use stop sticks to deflate all four of the tires to slow down the suspects. The suspects are still on the move, however. This trooper has been requested by Bellevue Police to perform a pit, as most city police officers are not pit certified.
Okay, is he still in the car? Or there's just a pass. Okay. Okay.
Passengers now on the ground, vehicle still rolling.
The suspect in the passenger seat has jumped out of the vehicle at this point. While leaving his passenger side door open, he was arrested for a felony warrant and taken into custody. However, the driver hasn't given up yet, as he's still traveling about 5 miles an hour away from police with 4 deflated tires.
9160. We're behind the vehicle. We're going about 5 miles an hour. And he's coming to a stop. 9160. He's still rolling. I can attempt to try to do like a slow pit on him, see if he'll come to a stop.
Big Bravo is requesting state unit to let them feed the IO2 on portable. Okay.
No, 60. He's still rolling. I come to a couple slow pits, but not really going quick enough for him to slide out or anything. On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! All right, come on! Come on! Got it. Everybody get away.
An officer and military veteran just warned everyone to get away, as he noticed a lighter and an IED laying right next to them that could explode at any moment.
We got one in custody. There may be a explosive device on scene. Get behind the bar! There's a bomb! Move! Yeah, that's clear. I think looked like some type of bomb that
Well, he's got, it's like the size of a baseball, the fuse. He was trying to light it and he threw it and he got tackled. No,
it's under the bridge.
that black ball right there, it's got a fuse coming out of it. He was trying to light it.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna shut the freeway. Yeah.
And eastbound as well if we can.
Yeah.
916. Can we shut down both directions by 90 for the potential bomb? Bellevue PD has bomb squad coming out. We're right underneath East Mercer. If North could help shut down East 92 Allen Crest, we probably don't want any traffic going over East Mercer at this time.
Okay. Let's back up.
Okay. They got him. We got him in custody. They got him back there, further back.
He fled and he had a bomb in his hand and he tried to light it?
Yeah, it happened very fast, but yeah, after we got him in custody, I saw it look like a little, just circle bomb looking thing with a wood coming out of it. I guess he's trying to light it. It's in like the HOV lane. So did a pit on the car at like 4 miles an hour, super slow. I don't even know if there's damage to the car yet or anything, but dude took off after that, and he has like a little, I don't know, would it be like a pipe bomb on him or whatnot? So as we're like chasing after him, he trying to like light it off, and we got him in custody, and we just left it out there in the HOV lane right now, and it's right underneath East Mercer, and then we backed up from the vehicle in case he has other explosives in there or whatnot. But Bellevue has their bomb squad team en route to clear the car and clear the grenade or whatever he has on him. All right. Yeah. Sarge, yeah. Yeah. I gotta look at my car. He's like right here. And then wrapped around, I kind of just pushed him. I think I might be
I
good.
think you're good.
I tried so carefully not
It's normal for you.
Yeah, that was good. All right, so we have more units trying to shut down both sides.
He's gonna reach out to your commander to see about getting another bomb unit here, but we have one en route, like in just under an hour ETA.
After getting both suspects in custody and the bomb squad team safely securing the IED, another suspicious device was observed on the center console near the gear selector, inside the vehicle the suspects were in. Both devices are taken back to a testing site to detonate them, to not only see if they explode, but also to see what kind of damage they would have done to all the officers on scene. Later the same day, the suspect who tried to ignite this IED on all the officers was sat down in an interrogation room with a detective from the Bellevue Police Department and an agent from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives.
All right. Audio video recording. Okay. Today is October 12th, 2024, 17:42 hours. This is Detective Sun with the Bellevue Police Department. Present with me is Special Agent Heller with ATF. I'm interviewing, and then Gogo, can you give us your
Can
you spell that for me?
SOKPHANA.
And do you understand this conversation is being recorded?
Mm-hmm.
And do I have your permission to record your voice?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm going to read your rights. So you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yep.
Being aware of these rights, are you willing to voluntarily answer questions?
I'm a lawyer.
No lawyer? Okay. I'm ending this recording.
While this suspect wouldn't give any information about the incident, the passenger who jumped out of the vehicle would. We have withheld the witness's name out of concern for their safety, including the risk of retaliation or harm. He had warrants for stealing a motor vehicle and DUI, and the use or delivery of drug paraphernalia. While the passenger was taken to the hospital for medical clearance, an officer asked him about the incident. Before hearing what he had to say, however, it's important to understand the events that led up to the vehicle pursuit. It began when officers found a running black Mercedes vehicle with no license plate in a park and the vehicle identification number obstructed. There were two males in the front seats of the car asleep. Before waking them up, officers placed stop sticks and other tire deflation devices both in front of and behind the vehicle. After the devices were in place, the sergeant began making commands using the PA system in his patrol vehicle. He told the driver several times to turn off the vehicle, and neither of the suspects woke up. After more commands, the driver and passenger finally woke up. Then the driver immediately put the car in reverse and backed up over a sidewalk in order to get around a patrol vehicle. The driver then put the car in drive and drove eastbound, nearly striking a patrol vehicle. As the driver drove forward, that's when all four tires were deflated due to the tire deflation devices. After a slow pursuit, the passenger eventually jumped out and complied with officers as they took him into custody. The body cam footage shows the rest of the incident. Later, when the passenger was questioned at the hospital. He said that he and the other suspect went to a casino that morning. Surprisingly, he didn't know the other suspect's name. They stopped at the park where the officers found them at to sleep before their trip back to Seattle. He then stated that he and the driver used fentanyl around 9 or 10 o'clock. They then fell asleep and did not wake until police arrived. He stated that he was unaware of any explosive devices in the vehicle and that he didn't know if the vehicle was stolen or not. It was later confirmed that the black Mercedes the two suspects were in was indeed stolen out of the King County Sheriff's Office. The IED that was almost ignited was identified to be a tennis ball with an unknown powder that had been wrapped multiple times with tape, and a fuse was inserted into the powder. The other bomb that was found in the vehicle appeared to be a sparkler bomb. A sparkler bomb is an IED made from taping sparklers together using the tape to create a container. This image details a close-up look at the tennis ball bomb, and this image shows the sparkler bomb. While the passenger was simply picked up for his warrant, the other suspect who was driving and attempted to light the IED was charged with 7 counts of assault in the first degree, possession of an explosive device for unlawful purpose, possession of a stolen vehicle, and eluding police.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.